Hi guys, welcome to Bread of Life Kitchen. If today is your first time coming across my video, please like, share, thumbs up, share with friends and family, and subscribe to my channel, okay? Today we are going to be having a very nice, easy recipe. As you can see here, we have our washed and tilapia already scaled and gutted. This is the red one, so beautiful, gorgeous. So we'll be making tilapia fish today. I've already washed, then score it. Now we'll be spicing it up with my spices and herbs. So easy. 20 minutes to 25, our gorgeous fish is ready. Okay, so stay tuned. So guys, I've got my herbs here and my spices. I've got my oregano, or 1 teaspoon. I have my oregano, I have my rosemary, I have my bouillon cube already crushed. I have my thyme here, my salt, I have my parsley, I have my onions, my nutmeg, and this is my garlic. Then I have here my paprika and curry. So feel free to choose any herbs of your choice. So I like the lemon taste in all my fishes, that citric taste and smell. I like it. So it makes the fish taste better. So I've already put incision on it for the fish, as you can see. So I'm going to put my spices, all these spices. Feel free to add more spice, okay? So these are the ones I'm using today. So we're going to bake for 20 to 25 minutes. I've already preheated my oven. This is just a simple recipe, okay? Thank you guys. Then I will marinate for 1 hour. So after then I bake. Okay guys, so simple, easy. So with this recipe you can eat with your roasted plantain or boiled, anyway, anyhow you want it. Yam, rice, you can eat it like that. It's a very nice and easy recipe. So let's get started. So our gorgeous fish is being spiced up. So we're going to bake now for 25 minutes. Okay guys, I told you it's an easy recipe. So fast, you can be eating any time of the day. Lunch, breakfast on weekends, yeah. Yeah, so you can be eating any time of the day. The choice is yours. So we're going to bake now, okay? Wow, look at our tilapia. Yeah, we added our veggies to it. That's cherry tomatoes. We have our scallions. And we have our red onions also, red pepper. And I use some butter to garnish it. Yeah, so yummy. So I'll put it back in the oven again for another 5 minutes. So our tilapia will be ready. Okay. Hello guys, we've come to the end of our video. Our tilapia fish is out from the oven. See how gorgeous it is. So nice, well cooked. Yes, simple recipe. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for your patience. Thank you for coming along. So see you in my next video. Be happy and stay blessed. Bye bye.